In this video, I will show you how to master Hakko AI to create stunning anime art in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the website and create an account to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you will see a clean interface designed for creators. To start your first project, look for the Generate button and click it to open the workspace. Now, the magic happens in the prompt box. Here, you should describe the character or scene you want to build. Be specific with details like hair color and clothing styles to get the best results. You can also pick a specific anime model from the drop-down menu to match the exact aesthetic you are going for today. Before you hit Generate, check the Settings panel to adjust the aspect ratio and image resolution for high-quality output. When you are ready, press the Create button and watch as the artificial intelligence brings your vision to life. If the result is not perfect yet, you can use the Refine tool to tweak details.